Now, a 5-year-old boy has been killed in a hijacking in Soshanguve, Pretoria. Ditebogo Jr. Palane was with his father near their bakkie when they were held at gunpoint. The bakkie was taken and the child was shot dead. It's being reported that the child had run outside to welcome his father home when the incident happened. The boy was rushed to hospital but was certified dead on arrival.
Police are on the lookout for the suspects who allegedly shot a 5-year-old child as they were hijacking his father in Soshanguve in the evening of Friday, the 10th of May. The child was taken to hospital where he was certified dead on arrival. It is reported that the father was arriving home at approximately 10:30 in the evening, driving a white Toyota bakkie when the child went out to welcome him. An unconfirmed number of armed suspects allegedly hijacked the father of his bakkie and shot the 5-year-old boy, who later died in hospital. The lookout is underway for the suspects, and police have opened a case of murder and hijacking for further investigation. Police are appealing to anyone who might have information that can help in the investigation or assist in the apprehension of the suspects to please call the nearest police station or call Crime Stop on 08600 10 111.
Persons in custody. First accused person state versus Elia Maego. Second accused person state versus Alice Trole. Third accused person state versus Nido Ube. They are all in custody. State versus Elia Maego.
Elia Maego.
State versus Alice Trole.
Alice Trole.
State versus Nido Bumbi.
Nido Bumbi.
Accused persons before court. The state is all chain evidence relating to the charge of murder for postmortem, notice of death, identification of the deceased body, 20 statement for postmortem, tracing of other suspects, statements. For count 2, statements. In respect of count 1, count 2, count 3, because the state has prepared 51(1) of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 105 of 1997. We wish to also postpone in line with the instructions from Director of Public Prosecutions, the DPP's office, relating to the forum where this matter must be justiciable. Part 12 of the NPA policy says it is justiciable from the High Court. Therefore, state will seek further instructions from the DPP's office, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. In these circumstances, I wish with respect to move an application for a remand. If I may suggest the 27th of August, 2024.
Regional spokesperson for the NPA.
Okay, let me just start us off with what we saw happening today in court. We saw 3 men appearing now being linked to the murder. Let's start with this. Have they officially been linked now with the murder of 5-year-old Helen?
Indeed, the 3 accused men who appeared earlier today are linked to the murder of the 5-year-old boy from Soshanguve. The 3 men are facing a charge of murder and are also facing the charge of robbery with aggravating circumstances. And then accused number 3 is also facing a charge of being illegal in the country.
Talk to us about previous convictions that some of the men have. You know, it seems, especially accused number 2, has previous convictions and was even out on bail.
So accused number 2 has pen matters at Karangua Magistrates Court, where he's facing a charge of attempted murder, possession of firearm, possession of ammunition, and robbery with aggravating circumstances. And then the other 2 accused number 1 is also facing a charge of possession of firearm and possession of ammunition, which he is appearing in this court, and that matter was postponed to the 27th of August. And then accused number 3 is facing a charge of possession of prohibited firearm and possession of ammunition at Drastic Magistrate Court, and that matter is appearing on Thursday, on the 30th of May.
Number 1?
Accused number 1 is facing a charge of possession of firearm and possession of ammunition. He is appearing here at the Pretoria North Magistrates Court, and that matter is coming back on the 27th of August. And the matter of all 3 accused is coming back here at Pretoria North Magistrates Court on the 23rd of August. The 3 accused abandoned their bail application. However, the state was ready to proceed with a post-bail application.
You will get a conviction.
The prima facie evidence we have at this stage indicates that the 3 accused that appeared in court today are linked to the murder of the 5-year-old.
And just in terms of why the
So we understand that the 3 accused abandoned their bail application, so the state asked for postponement for investigations. For example, we need to take the firearms that the accused were found in possession of for ballistic reports. We still need to do post-mortem reports, we still need to take statements. So there's a lot of investigations that still need to happen, hence the postponement.
I guess the whole family gets a lot of comfort from seeing progress in the case, and I must say that definitely does feel much better than not knowing anything, not hearing anything. The investigating officer, the office of the minister, Commissioner Bishop Kumar has been updating us with all the details about the case. Some of them is very sensitive information that we should share. However, they've been very proactive. You don't have to ask for them. The police have done their job, so I guess in this case, we just have to also put our faith in the NP as well. Fight tooth and nail to make sure that they prosecute.
How are the family feeling coming face to face with 3 of the men accused of killing him?
Look, it will always come with mixed feelings and mixed emotions. More so the feeling of, sort of a reincarnation of what happened. The funeral was 2 weeks ago. At this stage, trying to just keep calm, keep it calm. You have to come to court. Unfortunately, you have to try, contain your emotions. But I can tell you now, the family is still deep distraught. Mr. Son dead, and I don't think that feeling will go away anytime soon. Even if the prosecution continues and it's successful, the son will not come back. However, it does bring a bit of comfort to know that no other family will have to go through this such thing.
And Gift, I don't know if I am correct. You were the person who tweeted about this initially.
Yes.
Well, now in retrospect, your tweet really blew this up. and shook the whole thing. Are you glad that you?
I mean, I couldn't keep quiet about such a thing. More especially in the manner that how it happened, the victim. So I guess it also shows a little bit of power of what social media can do. I'm not saying I take credit for the happenings of today and the investigation. I mean, we need to also give credit where it's due to the police, private investigators that are also helping in the case. But yeah, sure, I think it did assist, to get quite a lot of you guys here, when the media is involved, there's usually progress. So yeah.
Can I just ask, in terms of there was an identity parade that was done, I believe. Just in terms of that, is Debra sure that these are the people that you saw, and also the fact that 2 of them are local, I believe. Just talk about that.
I cannot confirm or deny that. However, he was indeed invited to such, but he was also told not to disclose further details. But just keep the faith in the NPA and also pray for the police to continue to do their job effortlessly during this period until the next update.
Is there some sort of family counseling that you guys are undertaking?
No, look, 100%. I must give credit to the, I don't know if I should say the office of the mayor, but there's quite a lot of people that offered us counseling. Some of them are private counseling people in the medical field. Even today, while sitting just before court, I got a call from someone saying, "Can we pull through at the house?" So the family is definitely getting that sort of support, and we really do appreciate that support. And to South Africans at large, we've shown us quite a lot of support in the past few weeks.
Hey Mzansi, we have an update on the tragic case of Ditebogo Jr. Phalane. The 3 men accused of his murder have just abandoned their bail applications once again. Elia Mueko, Ali Sithole and Nido Gumbe, who were accused of killing little Ditebogo during a hijacking in May, made a dramatic move in court on the 5th of September. Their attorney revealed that they are now terrified for their lives. According to their lawyer, the accused have been receiving threatening messages and fear for their safety, opting to stay in custody rather than being released back into the community. In a packed Pretoria North Magistrate Court, emotions were running high. Ditebogo's parents were seen struggling to hold back tears, with many in the gallery wearing t-shirts with his face on them. Family spokesperson Gift Makodi has expressed their gratitude for the public support, but also voiced doubts about the NPA's ability to secure a conviction. Despite the overwhelming grief, the family is leaning on the mayor's office for emotional support and counseling. The community remains vocal, demanding that the accused face the full extent of the law. The case has been postponed to December 4th, with the state seeking access to the accused's cell phone records and deciding whether to centralize the cases. What do you guys think about the accused's decisions to abandon their bail applications? Do you guys believe that justice will be served? Please leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, Mzansi, stay tuned for everything Mzansi.